Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. So today I wanted to catch up on my weekly Oshun healing message. This has to do with uplifting feminine energy, healing feminine energy, and empowering women. So let's see what's in store for you guys this week. Alright, so some of you guys need to have been really struggling with maybe your sexuality and self-expression in it. So a lot of you guys need to work on healing your sacral chakra, especially if you've been raped or traumatized in one way, shape, or another. Dancing can help, eating oranges. Also resting when you feel like you need to rest. Don't overwhelm yourself at this time. If you feel like you need therapy, by all means seek that out. If you need support, allow your friends to help you. Allow your friends to, try to get you out the house more, get more sun, eat better, drink water. Don't neglect yourself at this time. Dance classes have been coming up an awful lot, so a lot of you guys might want to get into dancing, exploring your sexuality in that way. Any activity that makes you feel in your body, yoga, dancing, exercising, all of that helps you get more in tune with your sacral energy. Also, when your sacral energy is healed, that means you can attract your soulmate sooner, faster, more potential mates that are of higher quality. So this has to do with you, the universe trying to gift you, again, in potential suitors, a better sex life, a better, healthier romantic life. So some of you guys are getting ready to draw in a suitor that is very strong, very handsome, very wealthy even. So that means you guys have been doing a good job in manifesting and working on your sexual libido and your drive and things of that nature. Some of you guys might want to try to take a trip to the adult store, try to get more comfortable in that terrain, even teaching yourself how to orgasm, how to masturbate. Actually, I'm going to make a video on that next. Alright, so some of you guys are very stubborn when it comes to change in your dating life. So some of you guys may be going for the same types. Some of you guys do like the fuck boys and the bad boys, whether you want to admit it or not. But there's someone better coming into your life. So if you're stuck on your ex, for example, your guys want you to just let that person go, and continue trying to find better prospectors. So a lot of this is about dating and exploring this week. Putting yourself out there, clubbing, dancing, saying yes to friend invitations, things of that nature, especially if you're a hermit, especially if you've been depressed. Support groups have also been coming up if you feel like you need to get over some trauma, things of that nature. So don't be afraid to talk to someone or even call a hotline if you have nothing else to do. Distance yourself from negative energy. Be mindful of who you surround yourself with always. Big Shine might be a theme song for a lot of you guys this week. Alright, so again, be yourself, be dope, be unapologetically. Don't let anyone tell you how to rule your life. You are the ruler of this shit. So yeah. If that resonates with you guys, feel free to book a reading with me. Follow me on Instagram, Oshun_the Great. Peace.